initiative of the Government of Uganda through the Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development with support from UNICEF, our key development partners. And it is a chatbot that is powered by artificial intelligence to provide information about mental health and also psychosocial support to the young people, mainly aged between 13 to 18 years of age. But that doesn't mean anyone else can't use it. So the chatbot provides information on different topics such as relationships, mental health, stress, anxiety, and so many other topics that are of keen interest to the young people, especially those in school, adolescents, and the rest.
So this service is very important because, number one, it provides full confidentiality for young people who are going through any stress and anxiety and who have some concerns about their mental health.
The chatbot, first of all, in its conversations with the user, picks up keywords that are dangerous, such as suicide, kill myself, and the rest. Once it picks up those keywords, automatically it transfers this conversation to the Sauti 116 helpline under the Ministry of Gender, where there are dedicated counselors who respond to issues of psychosocial support and also gender-based violence and violence against children. So these counselors can then come in and engage this person who seems to be in distress.
Some people may ask, why do we need such kind of an app? WHO tells us that between 10 to 20% of children and young people globally are facing issues related to mental health.
Ministry of Health stated that 21% and 26% of all secondary school students are having depression and anxiety. All these bring mental health concerns, and they must have solutions. Solutions meaning they must access professional services from government.
Now when we get such an app where you can go and log in and ask a solution for your challenge, I think it is a good app for our young people of Uganda.
All my life, I have been told to consider my physical health. Do I have malaria? No. Do I have typhoid? No. So I grew up thinking that is the most important thing as long as I'm physically healthy. But what about my mental health?
I was among the few who got a chance to be trained about mental health. But then our colleagues failed to open up to us. But now, who would fear to talk to chatbot?
And the moment we are going to open up to them about this chatbot, I'm very sure they're going to embrace it because there are people who love technology. And I'm pretty sure that because of this, children's lives are going to improve.
The chatbot is accessed through various channels. First of all, there's the SMS channel. Whether you're using a smartphone or a community phone, you can be able to send a message to 116.
We also have other options whereby you can connect directly to the chatbot using Telegram. You send a message, or you search from the Telegram, which is MHPSS chatbot. Then from there, you continue with the chatting until when you feel like want to speak to a counselor. Then we're also coming up with WhatsApp. We are going to infuse and put a link in WhatsApp whereby someone also can chat and access the chatbot.
Another way is somewhere within the chatbot, a user can also decide to opt to speak to a counselor. And once the user decides to do that, then this conversation is also transferred to a counselor at the end of the helpline.
It does not require the person to have a smartphone. It does not require you to have data or credit on your phone. You can use the analogy phone, the old type of phones, and it's free of charge.
The Ministry of Gender and Social Development is committed to continue working hard with development partners, civil society group and private sector to advance such new ideas which can reach the young people of this nation. The chatbot is part of many innovations that we believe will bridge the gap with .com era.
For us as civil society, we are backing you. We are continuously backing you, and we'll do our best to speak more about it, create more awareness about the existence.
We pledge when we do the awareness raising on the different platforms like the media, where you normally see us, and also the schools where we do visit. we shall always popularize the chat box to always encourage the students and the learners to always use it.
On behalf of Government of Uganda, I would like to thank the funders of the chatbot app development, especially UNICEF, who have invested heavily in the development of this app. I would like to thank the technical team, NITA-U, our IT head and the team, CIDA and Spotlight Initiative. God bless you all. Let's have more of these applications for our young people.